Hello and welcome back. In this video, we are going to explore how you can customize the look and feel of your quiz using the Custom CSS option. To get started, head to your Quizify dashboard, click on Settings and then CSS Settings. Here, you will see a panel with different CSS snippets you can use to target specific elements of your form. Let's try a simple example of changing the quiz heading color. Copy the relevant CSS snippet from the left-hand menu, paste it into the editor, paste your custom CSS code here and hit save. Your changes will instantly reflect in the preview. With custom CSS, you can adjust your fonts, colors or any visual element, giving you control beyond the default settings. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.